If you need toilet paper, come to CVS with me this week. Anyone can grab it for $2.50 a piece. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bree the Coupon Queen. There's a lot of great deals going on this week at CVS. We got really good coupons from the Sunday paper. If your Sunday paper comes with the coupons, not every region gets every insert, so I do personally order mine online through BQ. So all the websites that I use for coupons are going to be below in the description box if you ever want to order some coupons. But this weekend, I would highly recommend it or suggest it if you're going the paper coupon route. You can do all digital coupons if you want. You can still save some incredible amounts of money doing it that way. And I did notice that the price of my Covergirl did go up for both the concealer and the eye pencils. Unfortunately, inflation is still getting us, but when you coupon, you'll still be able to grab tons of products super cheap. So in total, I'm going to show you how I'm grabbing $68 worth of products. My final cash cost is about $8, and that includes taxes. There is a printable breakdown below in the description box as well. It's going to have the deals laid out for you. It's very important to make sure that you have your own printable breakdown when you go to the store. It's going to help you and save you so much stress and help you have a smoother checkout process. So let's pop in CVS and I'll show you what you can score this week. So we got amazing coupons in our 9/24 inserts, so definitely recommend picking up a newspaper or ordering them online if you want to. I order mine from BQ. All of the websites that I use are linked below in the description box. So I'm going to get started using my 10 off 60 purchase CRT. Now I found this in my emails this morning, so always check your emails. The only other one I had on my account was 20 off 100, so that would have been a higher out of pocket. Also, real quick before we get into this Vaseline deal, so my CVS app is still not working. I asked one of the associates, she said, check if there needs to be an update, but there's no update needed. I uninstalled the app, reinstalled the app, it's still not working when I scan a product. No manufacturer coupons are showing that they're attaching to anything. It's such a pain in the butt. If you guys know how to fix that, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, so let's get started with this Vaseline deal. So they are spend $12, get a $4 extra back. There's a bunch of different things included. So what I'm gonna do is grab one of these large lotions at $9.24. Then I'm gonna grab one of these smaller lotions here at $5.49. Now in our $9.24 save, we have 4 off 2 paper coupon. We also have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you're gonna use either one, that'll save you $4. You'll pay $10.44 out of pocket, get back the $4 extra buck, makes your final cost $3.22 per lotion. You can save 50% on Nivea Women's Body Wash this week as well. There is a separate promotion for buy 2 body wash, get back a $5 extra buck. So if you grab 2 of these, they are $7.99 each at my store. We have a 3 off 2 coupon from our 9/24 save insert. So you'll wind up paying $12.98 plus taxes out of pocket, getting back a $5 extra buck for buying 2, makes it $7.98 for 2 or $3.99 per body wash. The other option you could do is on Nivea Men. So these are a lot cheaper at $6.79 each. You would grab 2. You could use the 3 off 2 coupon, works on the men's as well. You would pay $10.58, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it $5.58 for 2 bottles or $2.79 per bottle. And remember, you can always pay with extra bucks to lower your out-of-pocket cost, which I highly recommend doing. I'm gonna do the same L'Oreal deal that I did last week, but this time it's gonna be a moneymaker. So one of you guys reminded me when I posted this to my Instagram stories, L'Oreal has a reward system at CVS. When you buy 4 mascaras, you'll get the 5th one free, and they do track just like anything else. So here's how to figure out how many you have left to get that free mascara. You're gonna click on deals and rewards, of course. Then you're gonna click rewards tracker on the right. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom. It shows when you buy 4, you get the 5th free. So last week I bought the 4th one. So this week I wound up getting the CRT for a free L'Oreal mascara. So what I'm gonna do is the buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, And I'm gonna grab my favorite mascara, again, the telescopic at $14.99. Then I'm gonna grab one of these eyeshadows at $6.59. I also have a 3 off 15 L'Oreal makeup CRT that I'm gonna go ahead and use because that'll put me over the $15 mark. So I'll wind up paying $3.59 out of pocket because that CRT should take off the entire amount of this at $14.99 is what I'm assuming. Again, I'll let you guys know at checkout. So if I pay $3.59, get back a $5 extra buck, both of these will be free and like $1.41 moneymaker. Anyone can stock up on some Garnier whole blends this week for $1.50 per bottle. So what you're gonna do, they are 2 for $8. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. So grab whatever 2. Everyone got this 2 off 2 instant coupon this week. So you'll pay $6, get back the $3 extra buck, makes them $1.50 a piece. Now here's how I'm gonna grab them completely free. I have this 3 off 2 coupon from the 910 save insert. So it did expire on the 16th, but most CVS's accept expired coupons up to 16 days. We're well within that window, so this will come off, saving me $5. I'll pay $3 out of pocket, but then I'm gonna get back that $3 extra buck for buying 2, makes them completely free. Also, a heads up on the deal, the sulfate-free are included at 2 for $8. That is definitely the best bang for your buck because regular price, they're $8.69 a piece, but this week they are 2 for $8, so those are the 2 that I went ahead and grabbed. This week we have a deal on Covergirl that's buy 3, get a $10 extra back. Now, if you grab 3 of the eye pencils, my store finally did go up in price. They're back to $5.79 instead of $4.99, unfortunately. But if you grab 3 of those and you use 3 of these $3 coupons, these came from the 910 save insert as well, plus everyone got a $3 instant coupon this week. That would be a moneymaker. Unfortunately, I only have 1 of these. So here's another scenario. Can grab 1 of the eye pencils at $5.79 and 2 of these concealer sticks here that are $8.29. We have a separate $3 coupon for the face product, so you could use 2 of these coupons because you're grabbing 2 products. Plus that $3 instant coupon, you'd wind up paying $11.37 out of pocket. Getting back the $10 extra buck makes it $1.37 for 3 products. Now that is a really good deal, don't get me wrong, but only if you need these products. I personally don't need any of this makeup and it's not a moneymaker, so I'm gonna pass. If you need oral care, here's a deal that you can do using only your phone on Colgate. So this is actually my favorite toothpaste, the Optic White. They are buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, and they are regularly priced at $4.99. So grab 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll wind up paying $6.98, but you're gonna get back a $4 extra buck for buying 2 of them. Makes it $2.98 for both or $1.49 each. Now personally, $1 or less is a stock up price for me, but if you're adding this in a scenario with a 10 off 60, 6 off 30, anything like that for a purchase-based CRT, then it could be a really good deal to add in because that's gonna make it a lot cheaper. The deal is back where it's spend 30, get a $10 extra buck for laundry, so this is definitely the better deal. So what I would do is grab one of the large Tide Pods at $13.49. There is a $3 off 1 digital coupon. If you've used any of the digitals already, you can go to the PG website, which is pggoodeveryday.com, click coupons, and there are a ton of printable coupons. So then I would grab a small Tide Pods at $5.49, print the $1.50 off 1 printable coupon. Then grab a Gain Fireworks at $5.49, use the $1 digital coupon, and the small Gain Flings and use the $1 printable coupon. So total for all of these products here is going to be $29.96. So if your store follows the 98% rule like mine does, you'll be good to go. Then we have $1, $3, $1, and a $1.50 digital coupon. You'll pay $23.49 out of pocket. Then you'll get back the $10 extra buck, makes it $13.49 for all 4 products, or like $3.36 a piece, which is a really good deal, especially again if you're going to add it in with a purchase-based CRT. This next deal will sell out, so I highly recommend running to CVS today if possible and doing this deal. So my store only had 6 available. I already grabbed the 4 that I needed. They're in my cart, so they only have 2 left available. I don't know when this store gets their truck in, but you might want to ask your CVS as well. So Cottonelle this week are the smaller packs that are 2 for $10, and they are spend $20, get a $5 extra back. So this deal you're going to want to do in store, of course. Grab 4 of them. That'll bring you right to the $20 mark. We have a $2.50 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $17.50. You can pay with extra bucks. You'll get back the $5 extra buck for spending $20. Then submit your receipt to ShopMeum for $2.50 back on the other 2 that you're buying. Because remember, we're grabbing 4. Makes your final cost $10 for 4 packs or $2.50 per pack, which is an insane stock up price for Cottonelle. This week, if your store has it in stock, my store only has 1, unfortunately, but you can grab Shea Moisture hair masks for 93 cents for the 2 of them. So they're buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 2, get a $4 extra back. If you grab 2, one will be $3.29, one will be half price. That brings you to $4.93. You'll pay that out of pocket or with extra bucks, get back a $4 extra buck, makes it 93 cents for 2, which is a really great deal. So this is the transaction that I'm gonna do using that 10 off 60 CRT. Now, keep in mind, because I'm using that purchase CRT, the 3 off 15 for the L'Oreal is not gonna come off, but that's okay. I'd rather save $10 than $3, so it works out better to do it this way. So total for all of these is $64.02. Then I have the 10 off 60 and $30.49 worth of other coupons and CRTs. I'll pay $23.53 out of pocket, get back $17 in extra bucks plus $2.50 from ShopMeum for the Cottonelle. Makes my final cost $4.03 for all of these products. So let's go check out and I'll let you guys know how everything goes. All right, before we get into the receipts, a couple updates. So I tried to use the 3 off 2 Garnier Whole Blends expired coupon. It expired like, I don't know, 8 days ago or something, if I did my math right. It's the 24th. It expired on the 16th. Yeah, about 8 days ago. Now, typically, CVS has accepted coupons up to 12 days. Then, a couple months ago, I did a coupon and it said, no, this coupon is past 16 days. So I was like, oh, okay, maybe they accept it past up to 16 days. I didn't calculate that one right. I was like, okay, cool, whatever. I've used expired coupons since, not super expired, but okay. So then I tried to use this one that's 8 days expired. She goes, oh, I can't use this coupon, it's expired. And I was like, yeah, but you guys typically accept them up to 16 days. And she was like, no, we don't accept expired coupons at all. And I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, I use them all the time. Like, it scans, like, it's totally fine. When did that change? And she's like, oh, it changed like a year ago. And I'm like, that doesn't make sense. Like, I've done it since then. I don't know. So let me know in the comments if you guys have heard anything about that. I haven't heard anything about none of them accepting expired coupons anymore. Maybe they changed the policy. I didn't know. So definitely let me know in the comments so that I can kind of figure it out and let you guys all know so we're all on the same page when it comes to couponing. So let's go over the receipt. I did it all in one transaction. Let me get my receipt. Okay. So first I did the Cottonelle deal. Here's the Garnier Whole Blends that rang in at 2 for $8. Here's the Vaseline. Here's the L'Oreal Vaseline and the L'Oreal mascara. Here is the $4 coupon for the Vaseline, $2.50 for the Cottonelle. The free mascara did take off the full $14.99. I don't think there's a limit on that CRT. You can buy whatever mascara you want. 2 off 2 for the Whole Blends. Okay, so the 4 off 2 for the Vaseline did not glitch and come off. Here's all the extra bucks I rolled from last week, including the 2% back that you get. Would have been $18.16, but I used a $10 Fetch Rewards gift card, so that did not cost me anything out of pocket. Paid $8.16, submitted to ShopMeum, got $2.50 back. So my cash cost is actually lower than $8. I know I mentioned that in the beginning of the video. My cash cost is like, I can't do the math in my head, like $5.75 or something like that for all of these products. I am so excited, especially the Cottonelle. Anytime I can stock up on paper products, I feel like paper products and laundry products are the most expensive things that we use so frequently. So stocking up on that is amazing. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button for me if you enjoy couponing at CVS, and I will see you next time.